How to recover Snapchat deleted snaps. Recovering deleted Snapchat snap is generally not possible directly through the app. If they were removed from memories, you may be able to recover them by checking your phone's local storage, Google Gallery photos, or requesting your data. So basically, when you open your Snapchat app, you can see that if you go ahead and take a snap and if you send it just like this, you will not be able to save it or recover it. So basically what you have to do is, if you want to recover your Snapchat deleted snap, you could either have to enable this in the first place. That means you would want to go to the Bitmoji icon, then gear icon. Here you just want to go to my app and locate memories and make sure that smart backup as well as a save button is toggled on. Once you do this, whenever you've taken a snap, it should be saved in your gallery section. But if this has not been enabled, then it's going to be quite difficult, as well as you might consider is impossible to recover Snapchat deleted snap. So it is actually designed for Snapchat is actually designed in such a way that you will not be able to recover such deleted snap after you've deleted it, or you'll not be able to recover it. But if you want to try it, you could give it a try by contacting or by requesting your data. So for that too, you have to go to settings. There you just want to make sure to go ahead and look for these section where it say request data, or you could just go to help. And once you go to the help center, you will be able to find such options. There you could go ahead and submit a claim or submit a request, and that should help you recover Snapchat deleted snap. But this is not a reliable way. You could just give it a try as well. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.